Mr. Prime Minister, dear James, dear citizens of Papua New Guinea, on this auspicious day, I would like to extend to you my warmest congratulations on the Golden Jubilee of Papua New Guinea's independence. Since the establishment of diplomatic relations between our two countries in 1976, our relations have grown in strength and confidence. In 2023, my visit to the extraordinary land of 1,000 tribes, the first by a French president, reinforced my conviction that our two countries still have a long way to go together. Papua New Guinea and France share a partnership, a friendship, and a common priority to preserve global goods like the forest and the oceans. We will continue this journey side by side to protect our planet. My dear friends, on behalf of the people of France and on the occasion of this Jubilee, I extend to all of you our wishes of happiness, peace, and prosperity. And I keep with me in my heart all the memories of my trip in your country. Our walks together, the moments spent and shared, and Papua New Guinea has a very special place for me and for France. Thank you.